Discord is giving out a lot of orbs as you saw in the thumbnail. But first, you're required to enable the VPN and then turn on the US location because these quests are only available for people living in the US. But don't ask me which VPN to use, because the ones that I use may not work for you. But still I use Urban VPN Chrome extension. Enable it and then refresh your Discord page. You should be able to see all the quests now. Let's start from the top without wasting any time. The first quest is from Pokemon Go. It's a game that trended in 2016 era. People used to go out to catch Pokemons. Anyway, it's a mobile quest, so do it there, and it will expire on March 21st. The second is from Eve CCP. It's a game. It will expire on March 21st. By the looks of it, it's a space-based roleplay type game. I heard that it's also a multiplayer type game that is combat-based. You can try it out if you want. After that, there's WWE WrestleMania game. I have already said what this is about in my last videos. It's expiring on March 22nd. After this, it's Microsoft Azure. If you don't know what it is, it's a cloud service type company. It's expiring on the April 1st. After that, the quest is from MacBook Neo. I also covered this in my past videos. It's expiring on April 14th. And then this quest doesn't give you orbs, but a cool avatar. You should watch it. Anyway, in total these quests are giving away 2,000 orbs though. They are enough to give you free Nitro. Make sure to claim them now. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you.